Welcome back to another episode of Rico Soul Italian Eats. In this episode, we'll share with you how we made this most delightful and addicting sandwich, the chopped Italian hoagie. So without further delay, let's get into our video. We'll start off by adding our imported mortadella.
Dad tax.
Next, we'll add our thinly sliced prosciutto. Next, we'll add our sweet Sopressata. Next, we'll add our Capicola, better known as Gabagool. Next, we'll add our imported sharp Provolone. And for those who know, the good stuff is prone to crumble up. Next, we will commence to chop up our meats and our veggies. Next, we added our chopped meats and our veggie to our bowl. Next, we would add 1 tablespoon of oregano. We would mix it in. We would go on to add another tablespoon of oregano. Next, we would add a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. We mixed our olive oil in. Next, we diced this tomato up and we added it to our bowl and we mixed it in. Adding more extra virgin olive oil, and we'll mix the extra virgin olive oil in. Next, we added some red wine vinegar. We'll mix the red wine vinegar in. Next, we added 2 tablespoons of mayo and we mixed it in. We would go on to put our chopped Italian meats and veggies into a smaller bowl and into the fridge for an hour to chill. After chilling in the fridge for an hour, it's time to put our chopped Italian meats and veggies onto our homemade seeded Italian roll. To learn how to make my delicious seeded Italian rolls, a link will be provided up top in the right hand corner and in the description box. Looks like we're all finished. Here's our chopped Italian hoagie sandwich on my homemade seeded Italian roll. We would go on to add these banana peppers to our sandwich, and I tell you, it took our sandwich to another level.
We're going for our first bite. Man, this looks amazing. The smile says it all, doesn't it?
That smile did say it all, for this sandwich was absolutely spectacular. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Comments are encouraged, and thanks for watching. But most importantly, don't forget to bon appetit, peoples. To bon appetit!